Folks, I don't know if you've seen it, but the one and only Grant Cardone has flip-flopped, baby. He used to talk about anything less than 32 units, you're a total loser. He's now getting behind the FHA program around fourplex and 5% down. There may be a bigger reason why, but we're not going to go there. We're just going to talk about the 5% down on fourplexes with Matt, the mortgage guy. How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing pretty good, Mike, and I know that the investor community for sure was like super excited. FHFA announces there's a conventional product coming out, 5% down, owner occupied, up to 4 units. And what I've seen lately is that a lot of people have reached out, and for one reason or another, they don't fit. And so I've got a scenario that will pull up, and hopefully it'll be big enough. I'm going to make some adjustments so people can see it. I've got a sheet where it's the FHA 3.5%, which you've always been able to do 2 to 4 unit owner occupied, versus 5%. Because if you've got a 671 credit score, FHA is better for you, and it's not even close. If you've got an 800 credit score, you probably can look at the conventional products, and that one might make sense. There's other caveats to it where you don't need the self-sustainability rule, and go to Matt the Mortgage Guy on YouTube and watch that video. We won't explain that for 5 minutes, but let me see. I'll share this, and I would have thought more people would be out there submitting offers. This sheet's showing up, yeah?
Yeah, it is. We're good.
I threw a $700,000 number out there, Mike. Could you get a 3 to 4 unit in Fresno for 700?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Yeah, that was my thought, was that if it's a market like Fresno, side by side, conventional on the left, FHA on the right. The FHA rate is lower. The mortgage insurance is almost identical, even at
3.5%.
Even at this is based on an 800 credit score. And so you scroll down to the bottom, FHA, you're out of pocket with closing costs and third party prepaid taxes and escrows, 36,000-ish.
So wait a second. So you're out of pocket less money and your payment's lower? Well, that doesn't suck.
Right. And so this is my reminder to people. It sounds great, but if it works FHA, more often than not, that's going to be the better product. If for whatever reason, because of condition or because of self-sustainability rule, you can't go FHA, conventional is your backup.
Yeah, there you
go. Yeah. But if I ran this at 700 credit score, it'd be even more drastic, right? It would be $400 a month less. And so this, I think that not enough people have called me to talk about this. If you're 27 years old and you qualify and you're a first-time buyer, but you're also an aspiring investor, why don't you do both at once? Why don't you have an owner
comparison?
Place to call home? Because let's call it 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 4 units. Those things probably rent for what, $1,300-$1,400 a unit in Fresno?
A 2 decent area, probably, let's call it $1,450, $1,500.
Yeah. And so you get in there for 36 grand out of pocket, your total payment is 5,300, and you're getting 1,500 a door on the other 3 doors. That's $4,500, and you're now paying $800. You talk about it, Mike. Your biggest living expense is down to $800. And the true magic of it, which I've had this conversation a lot lately, is the magic of holding real estate.
Exactly.
I made a chart where if you take 2.5% year-on-year rent growth and 4% home price appreciation, and you start to look out 5, 10, 15, 20 years, $700,000 fourplex you bought when you were 27 is worth at least double that when you're 50. Rents for sure are more than $1,500 in 2045. And so you might well have a property that's worth $2 million and it spits off $10,000 a month in income, and you've got no mortgage on it because your tenants have paid it off. That's a pretty sweet retirement plan, Mike. There's not a lot of, people.
Yeah. I mean, that was my whole plan when I got started, was to get 4 units and just pay it off in 30 years. I mean, You don't need 100. You don't need 20. If you just get to 4, your financial life will be fundamentally better as you get closer to retirement. So,
Right.
amen.
Yeah. And so 4-unit stuff, reach out to me, go to greatmortgagebroker.com. We're happy to help. I love the whole planning as an investor. We might save it for another video, Mike, but some stuff I caught of yours about the W-2 income. I'm working with so many people who they like their job. They're happy with their job.
Yeah.
And this real estate investing machine is just running alongside them. And so
Exactly.
I told this person I talked to recently, engineer, and I said, listen, man, do the real estate thing and let it run alongside you for a decade or so while you're working your W-2 and you qualify for the best financing that is available. And then you just have options. Then it's
Options
like,
galore.
do I still enjoy this? Do I pay a property manager and this stuff kind of runs on autopilot? Do I leave this? Do I dive into real estate? Like, you want to give yourself options. That's truly financial freedom, is when you have options.
Amen. I think a lot of people are looking at this 4-plex option. I know a lot of people that watch Grant Cardone. If you want to work with a mortgage professional that will run options side by side with you, Matt, the mortgage guy, how do they do that?
Go to greatmortgagebroker.com, fill out the quick form. We're licensed in 48 states, so we're helping people with this all over the country. I happen to be in California and helping a lot of people here locally, but no matter where you're at, go to the greatmortgagebroker.com, fill out the form, and the team will be in touch.
Thank you, buddy.